What can you make with polymer clay? Polymer clay can be used to make many different types of things. The possibilities are truly endless, but here are some different ideas to get you started. Figurines, articulated action figures, game pieces, shadow boxes, necklaces, earrings, wall art, magnets, ornaments, pins, even name tags. If you've already started sculpting with polymer clay, what types of things have you made? Be sure to leave it in the comments down below. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.